In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Canon Imageclass LBP121dn printer with the wired LAN. First, we have to activate it. Go to the printer control panel. Click on the menu. Select Preferences. Go for Network. Select first option, Wired and Wireless LAN. Select Wired LAN. Settings applied. Now scroll back. On the menu you will see the wireless on the menu you will see there is no wireless icon. Now we can connect the wired LAN. Go to the back side of the printer. Look for the port and plug in the cable there. Now you can click on the close. So that's the way we can connect it. Now we can add it in a MacBook, laptop or your smartphone for wireless printing. For example, I'm just going to add it in my smartphone. Go to your smartphone and download the Canon Print App. You can download it from the App Store or you can just go to the Play Store. In the app, now click on the register printer. Wait for the printer to show up. Select LBP121dn and it displays the IP address there. Select it. Instantly it will add up the printer and we are ready to use it. Press OK. So that's our printer and now we can start using it. Thanks for watching.